A Blackhawk County jury finds Shalom Rubashkin not guilty on all charges of state labor violations. Rubashkin was charged with 67 counts of child labor violations involving teens from Guatemala and Mexico who worked at agri-processors in Postville in 2007 and 2008. News Channel 7's Danielle Wagner is outside the Blackhawk County Courthouse for us. Danielle, the jury deliberating for 12 hours before reaching that not guilty verdict this afternoon. I think it's going to surprise some people.
That's absolutely right, Tara. The jury foreman Quentin Hart of Waterloo told me this was a difficult and complicated case, but he believes, based on the evidence presented in the courtroom, that the jury made the right decision. After hearing the not guilty verdict, Shalom Rubashkin said thank you. He was smiling and hugged both of his attorneys. Attorney General Tom Miller told me the state was obviously disappointed with the verdict, but felt this case needed to be prosecuted, and he isn't closing the book on filing charges against other individuals associated with agri-processors. Rubashkin's attorneys told me, based on publicity and other trials, this verdict will be viewed as a big upset, but the jury made the right decision.
These undocumented workers were frankly subjected to more than child labor. And if we have the opportunity to hold responsible those who may have committed crimes of extortion, sexual abuse, or forced labor, we will do so.
It was a horrible smear that he would have wanted young people to be working in his plant, not only because it was against the law, but that's not the kind of man he is. It was a horrible smear upon him and his Jewishness and his status as an Iowa resident.
After the verdict was read, the judge said he believed the prosecution of this case was worth every dime the state spent. He said he hopes he never has to see another case like this again, and he also hopes that Postville can move on.